Again. What the best is Put the bubble. Put the bug. What's better? It's better. It's my hand. It's my hand. It's my hand. My hand. I hold it. Yeah. It. Give it. Give it. Yeah. I don't know butter. I get it. I don't know butter. No butter. Very good. Butter. My dad. I need it.
Huh? What are you writing? Whoa. Wow. Beautiful. Stroke down and curve. Beautiful. Let's see. Let's sound your alphabet. Letter A sound. Letter B sound. Letter C sounds. Letter D sounds. Letter E sounds. Letter F sounds. Letter G sounds. Letter H sounds. Letter I sounds. Letter J sounds. Letter K sounds. Letter L sounds. Letter M sounds. Letter N sounds. Letter O sounds. Letter P sounds. Letter Q sounds. Letter R sounds. Letter S sounds. Yeah, now letter S sounds. You want to write it first?
Yes.
Let's finish sounding now. Letter S sounds. Letter S. S sounds. Letter T sounds. Letter U sounds. Letter V sounds. Letter W sounds. Letter X sounds. Letter Y sounds. Letter Z sounds. No, don't write it. Wait now. Letter Z sounds. Clap for Patience. Yeah, clap for yourself now. Clap. Okay, let's start. Letter J sounds. Letter S sounds. Sorry.